We are told that the best thing that can happen to anyone is to escape this circle of birth and death. That means escape the bondage of samskaras. Great religion, Hinduism. Often people criticize why Hindus worship the sun, the rivers, and the stars, and the trees, and everything that comes across their way. There's a great significance if we ponder over it. There was a time sages used to feel the presence of divinity in everything. The feeling of this presence of divinity in everything makes one bow their heads. I feel the presence of God in the trees, in the cow, buffaloes, the lion, the cobras, the rivers. Automatically you become reverential towards all these forces, animate and inanimate. But if we do this without the feelings, then we fail in purpose. So the meditation. Meditation is to create that feeling in us, first in our hearts. So the Heartfulness Way advocates that yes, we got to meditate on the presence of divinity in my heart first, so that I can feel the presence in my heart. And once I begin feeling that presence in my heart, the next step is very easy. How to do cleaning and why cleaning is necessary. What are we cleaning? We are cleaning impurities and complexities that we gather during daytime. We are told that the best thing that can happen to anyone is to escape this circle of birth and death. That means escape the bondage of samskaras. Because as long as the samskaras are there, whether they are good or bad, whether you are bound by gold chain or a copper chain or iron chain, chain is after all a chain. You got to escape it. Through cleaning, we are able to reduce this burden of samskara through heartfulness way of cleaning. It's very specific. Here are some of our apps and phone numbers and our website address. You can connect and take assistance of almost 13 to 14,000 trainers who are available to serve. The whole practice is free of charge. You owe nothing to anyone. Third and very important aspect of this practice is prayer. How to offer prayer to God. And what is this prayer all about? We pray with simple words that, my God, Thou art the real goal of human life. We are yet but slaves of wishes, putting bar to our advancement. Thou art the only God and power to bring us up to that stage. So through this prayer, we become cognizant of what is my goal, what is stopping my goal, and how I can get rid of the problems that I have. Without your help, I cannot achieve it. This prayer, actual words, you can find it on our website also. But I would highly recommend you that you do your morning meditation in the morning, perform evening cleaning, and just before going to sleep, offer this prayer 2 to 3 times, repeat it. Try to understand the meaning of the prayer and contemplate on the meaning and go in that mode. So great, we have a question from Sister Priti from Ahmedabad. She's asking a question, what if I sleep during meditation? Sometimes I fall asleep. After 5-10 minutes of meditation, I lose control. I don't see anything wrong with it, but one should sit like a soldier, upright, straight during meditation. And afterward, if my head falls a little bit, droops a little bit, it's okay, because you're not in control of yourself anyway. And I request you to, if you can sit in front of me or sit there, not meditate, and see if you can sleep sitting in a chair for 2 hours. I don't think you'll be able to do it. It is the relaxing effect of meditation done with pranahuti that takes you so deep within yourself, and you end up interpreting that as sleep, but it is actually yoga nidra. So I should congratulate you for experiencing this. Often rishis, they spend years and years of penances meditating for years together, and yet they do not experience such a state. It is because of pranahuti that you are able to experience this. Oh, here is very practical question from Meena from Patna. She is asking that during cleaning, should I be specific about removal of this particular things or that particular thing from my mind? I think when we do evening cleaning, we should have a general approach. We should not be very specific that this is being removed or that is being removed, because once we specify that I need to get rid of this, actually you're reinforcing it by recollecting in your memory. So when we do the cleaning, like when we clean the floor, for example, or sweeping the floor, we don't think that this is the feather and this is the hair and this is because of the rice fallen or this is because of somebody did boo-boo or no. We don't think of when we clean and sweep the floor. We do the general. Similarly, mentally, when we are removing certain things, we be very general and say all complexities and impurities that I have gathered are going away from my system. Moment you bring in specificity, you will deepen, you will increase the intensity of that particular impression. So no need to recall something that you want to get rid of.